Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to convert JPG to PDF from your Windows 10. So we just need browser at first. Here you can see I'm using Google Chrome and search for JPG to PDF, and here you can see the website of XML PDF. So I recommend this website because this is very useful and easy to use website. So simply click on that, and here you can see you have to choose your JPG file. Just click on that and choose your JPG file to convert to PDF. So simply I'm just selecting this file. You can see, as you can see, it's updated. So simply you can see the convert option on the top right side. Just click on that, and here you can see your file is converted to PDF. Now here you can see that your PDF will be downloaded automatically. Okay, and here I am just opening up. So this is the PDF file. So that's how you can convert JPG to PDF using your desktop. And in case if you don't see that your download is started automatically, here you can see that download option. So you can simply save to device and click on that, and here you can see it will start downloading again. And okay, so that's how you do it. So I hope you guys understand this video. If you still have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below.